Good morning, children. This is Seema Prabhakaran. We'll continue with our history lesson, the Revolt of 1857. In our previous videos, we talked about the causes and the regions where the revolt took place. Today, we'll begin with the causes of the failure of the revolt. Let's find out what were the reasons that the revolt could not remove the Britishers from our country in 1857. The first reason was lack of planning and coordination among the rebels. The most important reason was the lack of planning and unity of commanding the Indians. The revolt was to begin on 31st May 1857, but the incidents at Meerut on 10th May disturbed the whole plan. The rebels had no common plan of action. Leaders of the revolt could not coordinate their actions. Second reason was lack of efficient leadership. Nana Sahib, Bahadur Shah, Rani Lakshmibai, Tatya Tope and Kunwar Singh were the prominent leaders of the revolt. Each of them had his own grievances against the British. The old and weak Bahadur Shah Zafar was the weakest link in the leadership of the revolt. Third point was superior equipments and resources of the British. The rebels were short of modern weapons and other materials of war. Their ancient weapons and equipments could not stand against the modern weapons of the British. Moreover, the British had the advantage of a far-reaching telegraph system. They had control over the seas. They could easily exchange information and bring men and materials immediately into places where they were needed. Fourth point was non-participation of several sections of the society. The revolt remained localized and could not engulf the whole country. Means the whole country could not be involved. Some of the native states not only refused to join the revolt but also gave active support to the British. Prominent among them were Sir Dinkar Rao of Gwalior, Sir Salar Jung Bahadur of Hyderabad, Ranas of Nepal and rulers of Jind and Kashmir and Sikhs, etc. The English educated Indians also had no sympathy with the revolt. Thus, the revolt could not embrace all the groups and classes of Indian society. Fifth point was indiscipline among soldiers. The poor organization of the revolt also led to its failure. The soldiers were brave but also ill-disciplined. Thus, it was difficult to succeed against a well-disciplined army and experienced generals. So here you come to know how important is discipline in life. That's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.